Going y'all, MrSKSkill here. It's been a while. I have the Centurion C39 milled pistol. I've got the stabilizer brace from Century Arms International. VORTEX SPARC red dot. ERGO forward assist, well, stopper handle deal, what or not. GG&G light cover, light. I've been out the game for a while. Look at that. MAGPUL angle foregrip. Losing light too. Trying this muzzle brake out. I got another one in there if this one doesn't work well. I don't like this AK. It doesn't have a pin for it, but it's all American. Got American flag on it. That's great. And we're about to test out all these features and the rifle itself. I've never shot it. I got a recoil buffer in here. I'm having problems with the bolt. Oh yeah. Got a U.S.A mag in there, bolt hold open. Is that a trigger right here resetting? A little tick. Give it a little double tap. Double tap. Yeah. MrSKSkill here. The Centurion C39 milled AK pistol is a success. I had some skepticism about it whenever the bolt carrier was getting hung up due to the hammer spring being too taut, too badass. But once you break it in a little bit, it's fine. Talked to Century Arms about it, thought I was going to return it, but they said just shoot about 200-300 rounds to it and it'll be fine. But I put a recoil buffer on it instead of that. I probably shot just now total of today, cumulative about 80 rounds, but I'm about to run about 20 more through it. And you run a couple through without the dust cover on. All right. MrSKSkill, Centurion C39 pistol. I don't know if y'all can see it, but made in America. VORTEX SPARC, Surefire G2, old school, GG&G mount for it. ERGO stopper, handle deal, MAGPUL angle foregrip. All right, and it works. Recoil buffer, stabilizer brace. That's it. Y'all stay classy, America. How's it going, y'all? MrSKSkill here, your pal. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and